What's up everybody? I'm super excited because today is the day I'm launching my new YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Patrick and I'm a boudoir photographer based in Vienna, Austria. And about every other week I'm releasing new videos and tutorials helping you guys out with your photography. To be more specific, it's all about boudoir and nude photography. So if you want to see more like this, definitely like this video, subscribe and hit the notification button. And of course, we're going to start this journey with one of our favorite topics, light. Because after all, without light, there's no such thing as photography. Alright, let's jump right into it. Our first light setup is front light. Front light is probably the easiest and most used light setup. Just place your model or client in front of your light source. That could be a window in your studio or living room, an open door, a strobe with a big softbox or anything else you like to use as your main light source. Then place your back towards the light source. In our case, we use this beautiful bright window front. So basically, it's just your light source, then you, and then your model or client. Or in the other direction, your model or client, you, and then a light source. I guess you get it. The second light setup is edge or side light. The whole point of this setup is to highlight the shape of the body of your model or client. What you basically want to do here is to create a triangle between you, your model and the main light source. This increases the shadows on her face and body and therefore highlights the form of her body. Be aware that you can not only use your position within the triangle, but also use the distance between your model and your main light source to create different results. Light setup number 3, silhouette. That's basically the opposite of the front light setup, our first setup. You place your model or client between you and your main light source, almost or in a direct line. And you're shooting right into the light, creating stunning silhouettes. We're using the light to reduce the body to its basic form. Okay, how about you? Which one is your favorite light setup? Which one do you like to use or maybe haven't used yet? Just leave me a short message in the comments below the video. If you like even more information or if you're into behind the scenes videos, if you like to see more exclusive or uncensored content we create with our stunning and beautiful models, you'll find the link to our Patreon account in the description below. There will also be challenges and group critiques in which you can participate and much more to come. Alright, now it's your turn. Go out and shoot some stunning art. I'll see you in the next video.